Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the experiment number one, where multiple programs are available. In the last practical also, we have covered the practical on the string and practical on the list. Today we are going to cover dictionary set as well as tablet. The aim of this program is based on the dictionary, where the first thing you have how to create a dictionary. Second, access. The aim of the program is create a dictionary. Then second, access element from the dictionary. Third, change or add elements in the dictionary. Fourth, delete or remove element from the dictionary. And fifth, uh, find the length as well as perform the sorting on the dictionary. So as we know that whenever you want to implement a dictionary, it should be included inside a curly bracket, as we have also discussed in the practical lecture session as well. Whenever the thing is included inside a curly brackets, it should be aimed as dictionary, where it has two things. One is the key and second is the value. So whenever you like this one and try to print it, basically it gives the dictionary, but which is empty. So if you want to fill the data, it should be consist of two data. One is your key and second is your value. And when once again you are going to display the values, it will be displayed like this one. At the same time, you can also use the dict constructor to implement your dictionary. Next, can dictionary be mixed key? Mixed keys are allowed or not inside the dictionary? Like this one, where you have the name, uh, where you will declare a dictionary as this one, like name is your June, but one it can be having the identity as 243, where it will be in string as well integer. Both the things are available. So the mixed entry is also allowed inside the dictionary. Whenever you are going to check it, definitely you will get the data of it. So name John and key values are 1 and then values are 2, 4 and 3. You can also implement a dictionary by using the dict keyword. As we have seen, dict is basically a constructor. So whenever you want to implement it, either you can use the round curly brackets or you can use the dict constructor. So when once again you will implement it by using the dict construction, constructor, then once again you will check it will be created like this one. Then from the sequence having each item as a pair, suppose you are giving each item as a pair, not using the colon symbol. Like in the previous case here, we are using one colon apple, then two colon ball, etc. Suppose you are not using, you are going only the sequence, giving only the sequence. Dict is your constructor to create a dictionary. Then one comma apple, two comma ball, right? Where we are not writing one colon apple and two colon ball, but we are giving the sequence. So whenever you are giving the sequence, let's check if it is allowed or not. So here, once again, when you see, whenever you check, it will that one is the apple and second is your ball. It is constructed in the dictionary. Similarly, access element from the dictionary. You can also access the element from the dictionary as well. For example, if you want to, if you are giving the dictionary as name and age, like this one, and suppose you want to find out the name, where the name is Jack. So basically, you use the command as mydict name. So here you can say that name is Jack, which is displayed. Similarly, you can also check the age as well. For example, if you are giving that the statement as my did dot get age, and then the age will be. So here we have understood how to create a dictionary and how to access that particular element from the dictionary and how to give the sequence and how it will be created as the dictionary. Suppose you are trying to access the key which does not exist, then it throws an error message. For example, if there is a 26 is there, right? Sorry, if you're writing my underscore dict dot get address or my underscore dict address, so there might be an error. The thing which are not available if you're trying to access it, definitely it will generate an error message. You can also change the values to your dictionary. For example, here the age is 26. Now you want to change to make the changes. You can like it in this way. So whenever you are going to print it, my dict, here now you can see that the age is changed from 26 to 27. Similarly, you can add an item also inside the dictionary. Suppose you want to add an item address, right? There are two things are only available now. You want to add an address. So whenever you are going to print it, you can see that name is Jack, age is 27, and address is down. One more key and value is added to the dictionary. Similarly, we can view or delete or remove the element from the dictionary. For that purpose, you can use the pop like this one. Suppose you have created the dictionary as squares, and here you have written 1 colon 1 2 colon 2 etc. And suppose you want to pop it, so it will give a statement as this then 60 is pop, where 4 has having the value 16 is pop. So you want to remove an arbitrary item, so pop item can be used. Arbitrary item can be removed with the help of this one. Similarly, if you want to clear your entire, if you want to delete a particular, if you want to delete a particular data from the dictionary, then you can use it. Then command is will be used. Then it will delete a particular data from the list. Similarly, if you want to clear your entire item from the list, for that you have to use your square dot clear. So here you can use square dot clear, and now you can check square print something or not. Nothing is there. The entire dictionary is to be. Suppose you want to find out the length, once again you have to create a dictionary to find out the length, to check it, what is the length of the dictionary. So here you can use the method length square len, like the previous we have used in the case of the list as well. Print length square, so here it will print the length as the 5. The total 5 items are available along with the key and value. And similarly, if you want to sort, for that purpose, sorted method is to be used. Here print insert sorted. Now you can see that 1 3 5 7 and 9, the key value is in the sorted order. I hope everyone have understood this program. Reply it in the chat box.
Yes, understood.
Uh, Execute it fast within 5 minutes. Then we'll go for the next program. Everyone turn on your camera and try to execute it. Everyone turn on your camera. All of you turn on your video and execute the program. program is also uploaded on the Moodle where the items of the experiment one as well as previous session videos and program that dot five files is also available. Everyone turn on your video. Fahad Hashmi, Rohit, Shazia, Julia, Shiv Kapal, Rahul Yadav,
Sir, 39 Affan. Umair Firoz Khan. What is the problem to turn on
Yes,
the
sir.
camera? Why the people are not following the instructions? Why should I call the name and things like that? Rohit Bali, Gupta, Shinu, Mujair, Umar, Afan, Fahad Hashmi.
Yes, sir.
All the phone, turn on the phone.
Sir, I am executing on mobile. That's why it's get off when
Execute it fast because today we have to finish it experiment number one. So program is still left one second after we want to finish it by today. Anybody got the complete output? Reply it in the chat box. Is there Petiwala? That's Shivam. Rohit Bale. IUS 00. Rohit Bale. Ali.
Sir, my mom is cleaning the room. She is walking here and there. That's why I closed the camera.
Ali, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Now you share your screen. Good. Friends, please share your screen. Rohit Pale, are you writing a program? Gupta Shivam, Vijay Petiwala. Vijay, turn on your camera. Na? Gupta Shivam, share your screen. Gupta Shivam, have you written the complete program? So now I'm going for the explanation of the next program. Then we'll execute that program and you have to share it with screen. The next program is on the set where you have to perform the following steps. Create a set, perform the operation of union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. Then third, change the set. Fourth, remove elements from the set, then use swap and clear and test if an item exists in the set or not. These six operations you have to perform. So as we know that to create a set, we have to create a set, it has to be enclosed inside the curly braces. So if you are not entering a curly braces, at that time it will be difficult for creation of a set. So whenever you want to create a set for that purpose, first we have to write the name of the set is equivalent to then it has been enclosed inside your uh, curly braces. Wait for 1 minute, I will open the machine. Like this one here, a is equal to 10.02468. Similarly, the other set is also created. Whenever you are going to see that, the sets are created 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Similarly, the other B set is also created, like the B set we have created it here. Now you have to find out the union. For that purpose, you have to write A union B. There is a symbol which is above your enter key or shift key. Then A union B will write. You can see to it here. What will be the output of it? It will be the combination of both the set A as well as set B. Then for intersection, that will be find out the value as 2 and 4 means the common elements which are available. Then differences in between A and B. Here we will try to find out the difference between A and B. The item of A which is not available in the B is 0, 8, 6. Similarly, the symmetric we will try to find out in here 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. The elements which are there. You can see to A and B is there, right? 0, 1, but 2 is not considered. 2 is available in both. Then 3, 4 is not considered. 4 everywhere in both the list are there. Then 5, then 6, then 8. Just to be considered. And here we are giving one input because while statement is used till the condition is true, continuously it will perform the execution of this statement. Check input, input is taken. If it is n, then it will break. Otherwise, it does not break it. Next, we can also initialize the set like the previously we have initialized the set like here A and B. So you can initialize the set so the statement is given. So next is if you uncomment this, you will get an error message. For example, my set of 0, if you write this statement, suppose here the set is created my set 1, 2, 3, and you are going to use this one my set of 0. So here gives you an error message that the set object is does not have the subscript. But you can add an item into the set so that you can use the add method. So my set dot add to. Now if you want to see the my set, what is the content right now here? Is changed or not? Now the value is added as 3. Here it was 1 and 3. Now here 2 is added, so it is your 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, you can update the multiple items to the list as well. Suppose you have updated these items in the set. Now you can see to that 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3 was there, and 2, 3, 4 is added. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 is basically your content of your set. Similarly, you can add list and set. You can add a list inside the set as well. You know that the list is basically inside a square bracket. Here my set my underscore set dot update is to be used where we are trying to add in the content of your list into the set. So here whenever once again we are going to check it, so it will be given as 1, 2, 3, 4, and suppose you want to check a type of it, type of my underscore set. You can say that it is your set. Now here, if you want to discard any data from the set, you can easily discard it. For example, if you are using the statement as name of the set dot discard 4, so it will be discarded. Suppose you want to check the my set right now. Now the 4 is not available here. It is discarded. Similarly, if you want to remove an element, for that remove method is to be used. Then for that purpose which you want to remove, you should give that value. Suppose here now the 6 is to be removed from that. Suppose you want to discard an item which are not present in the list, right? Suppose you want to discard an item which is not present in the list, like 6. So here, what happens at that time? So here, there is no item is available, so it will directly print that back. Now, if you want to remove an element not present in the list, so definitely will give an error message like this one if you're giving. Example here, which is not available in the list. So here it gives an error message that it is not available. This is your mistake or error. Similarly, you can use the pop and clear method. Pop to pop the element from the set. For example, if the set is to be declared as hello world, like this one, my underscore set is equal to set hello world. If you want to see my set, let's check what is the content of your set. Here it gives the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now, here the data comes in any order. If you want to pop the data from the set, you can use the dot pop method. My underscore set is your set, then pop is your method. Now here it says that the first element, which is your r, is to be pop, right? Suppose you want to clear the set. For that purpose, the clear method is to be used here. When once again you are going to check the content, nothing is to be available inside the set. Now you want to check that particular element is available in the set or not. Suppose we have initialized the set as apple, and now we are checking the content of it. It has the content inside it. Then suppose you want to check that A is available or not, as we have discussed in the last lecture as well. If you want to find out A means you want to check it is available in the set my underscore set or not, so in operator is to be used. If it is there, then it tells true. Suppose once again, so here we are giving as B, then it is false, which is not available. So here we have understood the set, how to create the set, what are the meaning of intersection, difference, symmetric difference, how to change the set, how to remove the element from the set, how to use the pop and clear, what is the difference of it, and how to check the particular element is available inside the set or not. Next, we are going to discuss is your tuple.